In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove sound or audio from a video in Capcut. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So for the first step is that you're going to click onto your video. Once you click on the video, swipe till you find the extract audio option. Once you find it, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to extract your audio out of your video, and if I play this video, you will see, or rather you will hear that there is an audio in it.
Are you constantly feeling?
So that's our audio. So what you're going to do now, so you're going to click on the audio below and click on the delete option. That's going to delete your audio, and if I play this video, you hear that there is no more audio or voice on the video. So that's how you can easily remove audio or sound from a video in Capcut. So without wasting much of your time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.